Sermon number 6. On being advised not to chase Talha ibn Ubaidullah, and Zubair ibn Awwam, for fighting. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. By Allah, I shall not be like the badger, which feigns sleep on continuous sound of stone throwing till he who is in search of it finds it, or he who is on the lookout for it overpowers it. Rather, I shall ever strike the deviators from truth with the help of those who advance towards it, and the sinners and doubters with the help of those who listen to me and obey, till my day of death comes. By Allah, I have been continually deprived of my right from the day the Prophet died till today.